Franz Marc. The Fate of Animals. In 1913, artist Franz Marc created a renowned painting now housed at the Kunstmuseum Basel, Switzerland. Regarded as one of Marc's masterpieces, a section of this artwork was destroyed by a fire. Following Marc's death, his colleague Paul Klee played a crucial role in restoring the damaged section, using brown hues to contrast with the original vivid palette. This painting captures the horrors of war through the eyes of animals, serving as an ominous precursor to the First World War. Marc's inscription on the canvas's reverse, translated as "and all being is flaming suffering," adds depth to the artwork's profound message. The composition of the painting is filled with symbolism and emotion. The diagonal fires resembling sharp spears evoke a sense of violence and chaos, engulfing a forest in flames. The terrified animals attempting to flee symbolize the innocent victims caught in the crossfire of human conflict. The use of intense blues, reds, and yellows creates a dramatic and urgent atmosphere, reflecting the emotional intensity of the artist and conveying a message about the turmoil of a world on the brink of war. Marc believed in the spiritual connection between humans and animals, and here the animals seem to be symbolic of the innocent victims caught in the impending chaos of war. On the left, a distraught horse cries out, its gaze meeting that of another horse amid red flames. In the lower left corner, two trapped boars face imminent demise, surrounded by the relentless red fires. On the right, figures resembling wolves or deer stand unharmed, observing the devastation from a safe distance. The tension and violence culminate at the composition's center, where a blue deer stands tall amidst a burning tree threatening to crush it. Marc's use of blue symbolizes masculinity and spirituality. The stretched-out neck of the deer evokes the image of an innocent being sacrificed on the destructive altar of human fury. The painting exudes a profound sadness, capturing the impending suffering and annihilation that the First World War would unleash upon all living beings.